Imagine what it would be like to be walking in an ancient Roman town. What would you see? You would see many municipal buildings as well as many shops where anything could be bought, like food, shoes, fabrics, or pottery. In ancient Rome, many of them were located in the Roman Forum, or Forum Romanum. These shops were often small and open to the street. At night, shutters and locks would protect the stores from thieves. Even today, you may see similar shops throughout Italy. Let's look at some architecture. Insula, insulae. Domus, domus. Ludus, ludi. Thermae, thermarum. This was the predecessor of a spa with a calidarium, hot water pool, a tepidarium, warm water pool, and a frigidarium, cold water pool. Calidarium also had a heated room with almost 100% humidity in order to relax muscles. Popina, popinae, or caupona, cauponae, a lower-class tavern with food, and a wine bar with occasional gambling. Theatrum, like in modern times, a place for entertainment, a playhouse, or a place for martial games or performance of some kind. Laniena, lanienae. Macellum, macelli. Pistrina, pistrinae. A store where bakers used to bake goods like bread, panis, panis, and cookies, crustulum, crustuli. Taberna crustularia. Tonstrina, tonstrinae. Biblioteca, bibliotecae. Curia, curiae. Officina medici. Officina sartoris. Officina fabri tignarii. Taberna argentaria. With so much vocabulary and culture covered, we are starting to get a better sense of what it would have been like to live in ancient Rome. Let's now pivot back to some grammar.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.